Hey everyone, Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali, and in today's video, I will show you how to block DoorDash on Cash App. If you're tired of DoorDash deducting money from your Cash App account, don't worry. While there is no direct way to block DoorDash on Cash App, I will show you two effective methods to prevent any payments from going through. Let's dive right in. DoorDash accepts payments from Cash App in two main ways: through your Cash App card and Cash App Pay. To block DoorDash from accessing your Cash App balance, we need to remove these options from your DoorDash account. Here's how you can do it step by step. To show you both methods, I will take you to a website called Cabbage Loan Guide. Solutions to all kinds of financial problems in the United States are available on this website. There is an article on it called How to Block DoorDash on Cash App. Open it, you will find the link in the description, then scroll down. Method 1. Remove the linked Cash App card from DoorDash. Let's start with the first method, removing the linked Cash App card from DoorDash. Follow these steps. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app on your mobile. On the home page, find the account button in the bottom right corner and tap on it. Step 2. Once you're in the account section, tap on Payment Methods. This is where all your saved payment options like debit and credit cards are listed. Step 3. From the list of payment methods, locate your Cash App card. Step 4. Swipe the Cash App card to the left. You'll see a delete button appear. Tap on it to remove the card from DoorDash. And that's it. Once the Cash App card is deleted, DoorDash will no longer be able to charge your Cash App card for payments. Method 2. Remove Cash App Pay from DoorDash. The second method involves removing Cash App Pay from DoorDash. Here's how. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app and go to the home page. Again, tap on the account button in the bottom right corner. Step 2. Go to Payment Methods, where all your payment options are listed. Step 3. Look for Cash App Pay in the list of saved payment methods. This option allows DoorDash to charge directly from your Cash App balance. Step 4. Swipe Cash App Pay to the left and tap on the delete button to remove it. Once you delete Cash App Pay, DoorDash will no longer have access to your Cash App balance for payments. Additional tips: if you encounter any issues while removing these payment methods, reach out to Cash App customer support or DoorDash customer support for assistance. They'll guide you through resolving any problems. You will find the ways to contact customer support for both of them below in this article. And there you have it. Two easy methods to block DoorDash on Cash App by removing your payment methods. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more Cash App related issues like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.